Hello. In this video, we will be talking about how to remember the alphabetical letters of English language and their number, that what is the place of that particular alphabet. It is very important when it comes to UGC NET and other competitive examinations, because children or anyone who's taking the test easily gets confused. So within a minute I can teach you the techniques, although the video might be of at least of 4 to 5 minutes, but still, because I have to explain, and then once you will try to remember them, it would be really very easy. And in the next video I'll be telling you how to remember them in the reverse order. Okay, so first let's start with the ones in the normal order. So I'll be teaching you from here, so just keep referring. Now I have never seen anyone who forgets the place of A, B, C, D. So we know A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. So A, B, C, D, these numbers, they are quite clear to us. Now if you see, and also Z, some people call it Z, I call it Z. We also never forget that this is number 26. So already we know 5 of them, right? So from 1, 2, 3, 4 and see 5 we know. And now if you see, I have highlighted some of the letters. These are the letters which are divisible by 5. So what you need to do is, you need to remember a word called ejoti. Ejoti. Sorry for I'm not good with the straight handwriting. I usually write in cursive. So these are the letters which are divisible by 5. So this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20 and this is 25. Right? So you just write them, that 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Also T you can also remember from 2020, T20 cricket, right? Okay, so these are the letters. Now we know 5 and 5, 10 of them within 15-20 seconds. Now the rest of them, now because you know at least 10 of them, you can say I know. So this one is not no, it is I know. I'm not using the linguistic thing, but this is the Hindi wala no. So I is 9 because I know, right? So this one is 9. The next one is, whenever we wish anyone good luck, how we say good luck, right? And which one is the lucky number in Hausi? Number 7, right? So G is 7, right? So this one is 1, 2, 3 for this, and we remember this thing. Now tell me one thing, just think about a letter which starts from L. Think about a word that starts with the letter L, and the first word that comes to anyone's mind is love. And जैसे इंसान प्यार में पड़ता है, the brain stops working and इंसान के बच जाते हैं 12. This is the Indian style, the Hindi style, how we do it. In case people, those who are in the southern part of the country, 12 is 12, right? And we usually say that we hit the midnight clock, right? 12. So L is 12. And tell me, on which date do we celebrate Valentine's Day? We all know this thing. This is the easiest one. There are 2 techniques I'll be telling you. One is with Valentine's Day, another one is I'm telling you. So Valentine's Day is on 14th, and most of the people, what reply do they get? No. So no starts from N and N is 14. Another simple thing to remember is 14th of November, Children's Day. So N is 14th. Right? Now the other one is, do you know that Kings 11 Punjab is our, there is this cricket team in IPL, Kings 11 Punjab. So Kings 11 Punjab. So these we have already done. Just note them down or jot it down, right? Another thing is, where do we go for our X-ray? To the hospital, and most of the hospitals are 24 hours. So X is 24. Another thing is, we say that agar tu 21 to मैं 22, right? If you're Ser, I'm Sawa Ser kind of thing, right? If you are this, I'm just pride, ego, megalomaniacs, right? So 21 is you and V is 22. So this one is 21 and मैं 21 तू 21 तो मैं 22. Till here it is easy. Now another thing is I easily remember M. First of all, my brother's name starts with M. Otherwise also मैं तेरा M 13. Another technique of remembering M is that May 13th is quite famous. People although consider it as unlucky. I don't believe that, but still I think May is a good month, right? So M is 13. So this one is here. Now how to remember the other letters? At what age do we become responsible? At the age of 18. Yes, 18 means we become responsible. So R 18. तो जो पापा की प्रिंसेस होती हैं वो किस एज में बनती है? पापा की परी यूजुअली दे आर ऑफ 16, राइट? और 17 में बन जाती हैं, दे बिकम the queens. They start leading the relationships. This is just a joke. This is how I remember it. So P16, at the age of 16, most of the girls these days they become those papa ki pari, and they become the maharanis and the queens at the age of 17, right? So this is the thing. Now for remembering S, I personally have this thing to remember S. This is one thing, but otherwise the technique to remember S is one. You can, like, if R is 18, S is 19, one technique is this one. Another one is earlier, because I don't want to confuse you with sweet 16 and this and that, right? So that's why. Otherwise like, this is the easiest one, that in case R is 18, you just remember that S is 19. Similarly, we're gonna do the same thing, the same logic we're gonna use here, that if E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, and V is 22, so W is 23. So it's already been 7 minutes, out of which of course I took some time to remember, like to explain the things. Now we just simply gonna revise. Quick review. A, B, C, D, we remember 5, 4. Z, we remember 5 of them already we know. Coming to the next, E, J, T, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, we know. 10 of them we already know. I know I is 9. Good luck, G7. 24 hours X-ray machine, we already know. U21, V22, we know, because V is 22, W is 23. मैं तेरा 13. 14th November, Children's Day, we know. Responsibility 18, we know. Papa ki pari, princess 16, right? And Q is 17, we know. So R is 18, so S is 19, we know. Kings 11 Punjab, we know. Love, strike 12, right? So L. So already we know 26 of them. Within a minute you can remember them. Keep reading, keep sharing, let learning be your muse, let sharing be your muse, and it's good to share how you learn. It's some people they say that हाँ सबसे share कर लिया तो तुम्हारा क्या रह जाएगा? Don't worry, हमारा जो बनना है हमारा बन ही जाएगा. So we believe in sharing. So just go ahead, teach someone something new today. Good luck, take care, bye bye.